Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Salesforce to Snowflake. This integration is crucial for advanced analytics and comprehensive data warehousing. We'll explore the common approaches, from using dedicated data integration platforms to leveraging custom solutions. By centralizing your Salesforce data in Snowflake, you unlock powerful insights, enabling better business decisions and a more complete view of your customer interactions. Let's dive into the practical steps for achieving this seamless data flow. Connecting Salesforce to Snowflake often involves several key methods. Many organizations opt for robust third-party ETL or ELT tools like Fivetran, Stitch, or Informatica. These platforms automate the extraction, loading, and transformation processes, saving significant development time. Alternatively, for highly customized needs, building a solution using Salesforce's APIs, such as the Bulk API, and Snowflake's data loading capabilities, like Snowpipe, provides granular control. Each approach offers distinct advantages depending on your data volume and synchronization frequency. The data flow from Salesforce to Snowflake typically begins with extracting data from Salesforce. This is commonly done using Salesforce's robust APIs, which can handle large volumes of data. Once extracted, the data is then loaded into Snowflake, often leveraging features like Snowpipe for continuous ingestion or the copy into command for bulk loads. After loading, data transformation occurs within Snowflake, preparing it for analytical queries and reporting. This ensures your data is clean, consistent, and ready for insightful analysis. To maximize the value of your Salesforce to Snowflake integration, consider several best practices. Implementing incremental data loading, rather than full refreshes, significantly improves efficiency and reduces processing time. Establishing strong data governance policies ensures data quality and compliance. Regularly monitoring your data pipelines is also crucial for identifying and resolving any issues promptly, maintaining data integrity and availability. This integration ultimately provides a unified view of your customer data, empowering advanced analytics and strategic decision-making across your organization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.